don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl amiyahchanelle, and I'm super excited today to show you guys a couple of color contact lenses that I have received from Coleyes. I have never in my life wore a pair of color contact lenses before, but I've always was curious, like, what would I look like green or bluish eyes, you know? Like, what would that look like? And for those of you that wear prescriptions, just to let you guys know, Coleyes also does prescription lenses for color contacts as well. And you guys can use that code AMIYAH to get a buy 2 get 3 free deal. Or you can use the code AMIYAH20 to get a 20% off deal. And of course, I'm gonna put that in the description box below. And you guys already know what to do. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Please, in the comment section, let me know which pair looks better on me, because I may wear these out one day, you know, who knows? And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so this is how the package comes. And inside the box is going to be these tools that come with it. I already took like the plastic off of it. For the tools you can use to put the contacts in your eyes and to help take it out your eyes so you don't have to use your fingers. I know a lot of people that put on contacts use their fingers, but it's risky if you use your fingers, because if your hands are not washed, you do not want to catch an eye infection. And then the colors I will be showing you guys today. So this one is going to be Love Spells First Love, Barbie Green, Aene C2 Grey, and Crystal Gray. So yeah, I am going to probably show you guys me actually putting the contacts in and taking them out so you can get an idea of how that works. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, so the first one we're going to start off with is going to be Love Spells First Love. Inside of the package, these are the contacts that they come in. And there's 2 for like the left and the right eye. And they also come in this little container to put them in afterwards. So let's just get into it. Okay guys, I have the first one on. I really don't know how I feel. Like, I feel like one of those characters from like the action movies, one of the villains. It's super cute, but it's super different, especially for me. Like, you guys, look, that is crazy. Now we're just gonna put the other one on to see how I look. Okay, you guys, this is how I look with both contacts on. I don't know how I feel. Like, I look completely different. I feel like I look like a whole different person. Like, I look foreign or something, like I'm out of this world. But overall, I mean, it's cute. It's a cute color. It's like a greenish kind of color. So yeah, these are the first pairs. Okay, so for this pair right here, this one is called Crystal Gray. As you guys can see, compared to my original eye, it's very different, but it's pretty cool. Like, it's really cool. I've never experienced anything like this before. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the other one on. Okay, so these are the Crystal Gray ones, and I'm actually here for it. I actually really do like them. I like the way I look in them. Very different, but it's still super cute. Very cute, very cute. Like, I would definitely wear these out. Please excuse my lashes, applying them. At first, I started to lose a little bit of lashes, so if I start looking crazy, you guys, don't judge me. But yes, these are the Crystal Gray ones. Okay, you guys, this one is called Barbie Green, and I actually love these ones. Like, they can actually pull off to actually be my real eyes. If I was to tell somebody like, oh, this is my real eye color, I would think they would believe me. Like, it just looks like it goes together. These are ones I would definitely wear kind of on an everyday basis. And let's just put the other one on because I'm here for it. It's not too bright to make it look crazy, and it's not too dark of like a green. So let's put the other one on. Okay, so these are with both of the contact lenses on, and I'm totally here for it. I absolutely love these ones. These ones right now are my favorite out of the bunch. They're like more of a go-to, and they're very cute. They make me feel just so like, hey, I'm here. Like, I absolutely love these contact lenses. The Barbie Green is the one for me. It's like they match my skin color very well. I'm at the point where I'm like, damn, I wish these were my real eyes. Like, they're super cute. I love them. I will definitely wear these out like on the regular basis, and I'm gonna start telling people like, yeah, these are my real eyes. So yes, these are the Barbie Greens. Okay, so for the last one I'm showing you guys today, this one is going to be the Aene C2 Grey. This one is super cute as well. I believe these ones can pull off a bit natural. They're like a grayish, bluish type of color, but they look really well. They go really well with my skin tone as well. And these are ones that I will also wear out on the daily. Like, they're just super cute, you guys. Like, you just look at them. Don't they look like they can just go with like me? Alright, you guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to use code Amaya to get that buy 2 get 3 free deal, or code Amaya20 to get 20% off. Leave in the comment section what your favorite pair of Coleyes contact lenses was on me, which one your favorite was. And last but not least, you guys, I will be putting the links in the bottom in the description of each pair of color contacts I have worn. All right, I'll catch you guys next video.